Is your iPad not backing up and you're not sure why? Here are 6 effective methods to fix this issue, ensuring your data is safe and sound. Step 1. Check Wi-Fi connection. Ensure your iPad is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Backup requires a strong internet connection, so check if your Wi-Fi is working properly. Step 2. Check iCloud storage. Verify that you have enough iCloud storage available. Go to Settings, your name iCloud, manage storage to see if you're running out of space. Step 3. Update iOS. Make sure your iPad is running the latest version of iOS. Go to Settings, General Software Update, and install any available updates. Step 4. Restart iPad. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix the problem. Hold the power button until you see slide to power off, then slide to turn off. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Step 5. Sign out and sign back in. Go to Settings, your name, sign out. After signing out, sign back in with your Apple ID. This can refresh the connection to iCloud and fix backup issues. Step 6. Reset network settings. If your Wi-Fi connection is unstable, resetting network settings might help. Go to Settings, General Reset, reset network settings. Note that this will remove all saved Wi-Fi passwords, so you'll need to reconnect to your networks. Must ensure your data is safely backed up. It can save you a lot of headaches down the road.